Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Muffin from the show Bluey. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like, maybe leave a comment and let me know something you would like to learn how to draw in the future. And it would be awesome if you would subscribe if you have not already. All right, folks. So let's start drawing Muffin with a eye here. Let's see. We can do a great big oval. Like that. And then inside that, we're going to do a slightly smaller one, and that can be colored in all black. All right, next for drawing Muffin, we're going to do a nose. So let's see, come on out, and we can do a little soft triangle. Like that. And then we can do a little oval here inside. And this nose, we can color that in black after. Or you can do it now if you want, it doesn't matter. All right, so now let's do the other eye. And come on up here, and come on down, and do that same inside shape as we did on the other eye. And I'm gonna color that in all black right now. I'm going to make this one a little bit longer so it kind of matches the other eye a bit better. All right, so next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come on down here from the nose and then go over this way a little bit and then up a little bit and curve. And come on down, and then a little line right there. So we've got an open mouth. And now we can do some little teeth. So they're just like little waves, really. And then we can do a little hill for a tongue. And now a little line, a little curve right here. And this is going to be all this here is going to be colored in black after, because it's just going to be the dark part of the mouth that light isn't getting to, so it's going to be all black. And then we can color in the tongue pink or red, and we can leave the teeth white. Next, let's do some eyebrows. So we can do a funny little shape right there, and one over here, and I can do, let's do a line right there, and you can come on down here and over on this side, like that. And come on down a bit more. And let's do an arm right here. So we can put a line there, and we can start on some fingers. So let's do one here and another one. And do a little thumb and come on up. And this line, I'm going to bring it down and across this way, and bring this one down and meet up with that line. Now let's do another arm. I'm going to put a little line there and then do a little thumb. Muffin's going to be waving. Another little finger. Another one, and another one. And we can do a little line there for the palm of the hand. And then let's bring a line right here. Okay, so I'm going to do a little line right there, and one right here. There on the arms before we get to the hands, because it's going to help separate one color from the other when it comes time to color. So next, let's do legs. Bring a line here and bring another one down here, and then we can do 1, 2, 3 little toes. Let's do another one too. So 1, 2, 3 little toes, and bring that line up. And we can do a little bit of a wavy line here, and another here, and let's do a curve, and another curve right there, because Muffin has some spots, so let's put them in. Let's put one there, and another here, great big one here, and kind of coming through the eye, and bring a line here, and another great big spot there on that side of the face, and right here, and bring it on down, big curve, and do some spots on the arm here, and a great big spot here on the side. And let's do a tail. Tail's got a few little bumps there on the end. And I'm gonna put a line here. And now let's do ears. So tall triangles. Like that. And the inside is just a smaller triangle. All right, so now let's put a little spot right here and another little spot right there. And let's see, that's it. We are all finished our drawing of Muffin. And now I'm gonna get started with some coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for whatever we draw next. All right, everybody, goodbye.